So we've got to give this car back now, unfortunately. But before we do that, I'm going to take it for a quick blast up a bypass here and check out what the acceleration's like on this vehicle. But before we do that, I feel you need to jump out. You're going to have to, you've got your ear protectors on you.
Yep.
Because you're going to have to check out the engine sound on this car because it's absolutely phenomenal. So jump out, give us a shout when you're ready, and I'll start the beast up.
Go.
Loud, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was loud.
Very loud. Right, let's take it for a little spin before we give it back. Do you reckon that was loud on the RS6?
It sounded it.
Yeah.
Do you reckon?
It might have been louder, but I don't know if it was like as aggressive, if you know what I mean.
Yeah.
So this is a 5 litre V8 petrol engine. 0 to 60 in 4.5 seconds. It's seriously quick, this car. And I know, like, you know, you might say, well, there's such, you know, this, that, and the other is quicker, and we've got to 0 to 60 faster. You need to bear in mind the size of this vehicle as well when you're talking about these 0 to 60 and top speeds as well, because it's not like a Lamborghini or anything, a lightweight car like that. You know, it is a big workhorse of a vehicle as well if you want it to be. Not that it will be. So we'll take it on the bypass up the road here and just open it up a bit and see what it feels like. Right. So let's see what it's got. Fucking hell! That was quick. That is impressive. You feel the kickback on that?
Yeah.
That was mental. Absolutely mental.
Quicker than the RS6?
No. It don't feel quicker.
Doesn't it? Whereas the RS6 is a lot lower, isn't it?
Yeah, it just, yeah. It's a different sort of speed. Again, just keep going back to it because the size of the car, it just feels completely like it's something I've never driven before. Something completely different to anything else that I've driven and we've featured as well. And I'll probably go on record to say this is the favourite car I've ever driven.
Yeah?
Yeah. If you're gonna say everyday driver, out of everything we've driven, it would be this. And it's not, you know, it's not because it's the most expensive, or it might have something to do with it, but I don't think it's generally not that.
Yeah.
Just, you know, the feel of it, the attention to detail, like all these things put together, and then the power in that engine. For me, I think it's the nicest car I've driven. But yeah. But what'd be interesting to hear off people watching this is, so this is a Range Rover Sport SVR. I'm saying right now, as of today, this is like the nicest car I've ever driven. But what's the best car that anyone watching this has ever driven? Don't blag it and say something that it's not. Generally speaking, what is the best car you've driven? Tell us in the comments section, and then we'll see if we can get our hands on any of those cars as well, so we can do a bit of a video.
Yeah.
So the time has come, unfortunately, to hand the car back. So we're going to take it back to head office now, return the keys. Thanks for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, like us, share and subscribe. And if you don't already, check us out on Instagram at Stable Lease. Thanks for watching.